Hi everyone, I am Deepak, your English trainer. Welcome each one of you in today's lesson. But before I start today's video, I would like to ask simple three questions. Do you have an inclination to speak like a native speaker? Do you get stuck when someone uses advanced vocabulary? Do you want to expand your vocabulary? If yes, then this video is for you. In today's lesson, I have brought couple of advanced words with the synonyms and examples. There is a saying that go with the flow, which means to do what other people are doing or to agree with other people because this is the easiest thing to do. So, what we are waiting for? Without much ado, let's get started. Our first word is snarky. The correct pronunciation of this word is snarky. It means criticizing someone in an annoyed way and trying to hurt their feelings. These are the people who get, pleasure in criticizing everyone around them, and they, hurt other feelings. Let's see the synonyms of this word: abrasive and irascible. Irascible. Let's see the example. Stop making snarky comments about me. Second example, I fail to understand why is he snarky. Let's move on the second one, that is uptight. This means someone who is very nervous or who cannot relax and chill out. Let's see the synonyms of this word, that is jittery, apprehensive and a bundle of nerves. This is my favorite, that uptight. Let's see the example. It is natural for the student to get uptight during board exam, or you can say that sometime I get uptight whenever I face any problem. So this is the kind of word when someone gets nervous and he or she start stop believing in himself and stop believing in herself. Let's move on the next one, that is clumsy. This is used for a person who does not do something in a careful way, like somebody who does the things recklessly. Let's see the synonyms of this word, that is awkward, inexpert and unskillful. Try to memorize these words and try to use these words in your communication. Let's see the example. You clumsy lad, you have broken it again. You clumsy lad, you have broken it again. Let's see the another one, that is debauch. Debauch. It means to destroy or corrupt someone's morals. Let's see other words for this, that is vitiate, vitiate, defile and deprave. The example of this word, don't debauch the morals and values of the people. Don't debauch the morals and values of the people. Next, that is unsavory. Unsavory. If you describe a person, place or thing as unsavory, it means that unpleasant or morally unacceptable. So this is a kind of word. Let's see the other words for this. Unpleasant, nasty and obnoxious. Let's see the example. You should refrain from meeting those people who are unsavory character. So this example tells us that someone who doesn't have a good morale or good character, you should try to avoid these kind of people because these people are bad news. Next, move on, that is snoop. This means try to find out about other people private lives, like these people are in the habit of snooping other private lives. They would like to investigate that what is going on in someone's life. Let's see the other words for this, that is prowl, pry and investigate. Let's see the example. Stop being snoop and mind your business. Stop being snoop and mind your business. Second example for this, I found my maid snooping my wardrobe. I found my maid snooping my wardrobe. So I think that you are enjoying this lesson and enjoying these words. So next time whenever you are with someone, with your friend or with someone else, don't forget to use these advanced words. I personally feel that these will help you to be a good and fluent speaker. Let's see another one, that is clumsy. Clumsy. This is what used for someone who is granted clumsy for doing something wrong, but they are punished less severely than they could be. It means that someone has done a kind of crime, but might be they got away, or they they are being escaped by the punishment. They deserve severe punishment, but they got away with that. So this is a word which is used for those people particularly, and these people take undue advantage of this. Let's see the synonyms of this word, that is mercy, leniency and forbearance. Mercy, leniency and forbearance. Let's see the example. Offenders should not be given any sort of clumsy. Offenders should not be given any sort of clumsy. Next word is impediment. This is used for something which causes a hindrance for a person, growth and development. Synonyms of this word: hindrance, setback and obstructions. Let's see the example. You should not be affected for the upcoming impediments, so be audacious and face it. Let's move on the next one, that is savory. This is something which is being used by most of the people, that this word is used for a food or dish which is salty and not sweet in taste. It is also used for something which is not pleasant. Let's see the other words for this, that is yummy and luscious. See the example. This restaurant is well known for its savory dishes. This restaurant is well known for its savory dishes. So next time if you have to use like yummy or luscious, so you can just use this word instead of using these words, and you can also use these words like yummy and luscious. The last one is bumpkin. If you say that someone is bumpkin, it means that they are uneducated and simpleton. These people are particularly from the countryside, and synonyms of this word are rustic and loud. Rustic and loud. They lack sophistication. These people are those people, those who lack sophistication. Let's see the example. At times he acts like a bumpkin, which annoys me. At times he acts like a bumpkin, which annoys me. I hope that you like these 10 words, which are really advanced for day-to-day conversation. So this brings us to end of the video. I hope you enjoyed this lesson. Now I want you to use these advanced words in your communication to make it effective. When it comes to enrich vocabulary, I always say one thing, that words won't chase you. You will have to chase the word. Now with this I sign off. I'll get back with something new and interesting. Till then, do take care of yourself. If you like the video, then don't forget to subscribe the channel and drop the comment in comment sections. Thank you.